All right, for our final warm-ups today, we are going to subtract using some mental math. So we are going to say the number sentence in units of 1. Here is our first number sentence. So if I look at that, I want to say 10 minus 3, but if we're going to say it in units of 1, I would say 10 ones minus 3 ones equals, and you probably guessed it, 7 ones. All right? We're going to do the same thing here and here. Go ahead and pause the video and say both of these in units of 1. All right. So if you did these two problems, you've probably found that 11 ones minus 3 ones is 8 ones. You also probably found that 61 ones minus 3 ones equals 58 ones. Now let's try this same skill in units of 10. So if I have what looks to be 100 minus 30, I would actually say that like 10 tens minus 3 tens equals 7 tens. So let's repeat the process with similar problems. Go ahead and pause the video and answer these two on your own now. Excellent. So this problem right here you would probably see as 11 tens minus 30 tens equals 80 tens. If you look right down here, you would see that 61 tens minus 3 tens equals 58 tens. Awesome, awesome job. Okay, we're going to keep moving along. Now what I want you to do is I want you to write one of these. You can choose the red problem, you can choose the blue problem, or you can choose the orange problem. I want you to write one of these and then select which one you wrote below. Now it says, write 42 tens minus 5 ones. So that's my job to figure out, what does 42 tens look like? What does 5 ones look like? I'll give you a little hint. 42 tens is counting 42 tens. I'm going to count by tens 42 times. It's 420. Minus 5 ones, this is what that would look like. This is a sneak peek into one of your answers in the next question.